So for how long should you demo trade before you actually take things up a level to a real trading account? How long should you trade on demo? That's the question that was asked on one of the videos. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like the video. Today is Friday, guys, and go ahead and like the video. Make my weekend, make me happy, make me want to come here and share the opinions, knowledge, everything that I have. If you don't learn anything from what I share, obviously it's for your entertainment. So for the entertainment, just give a like to the video. If you want to download Forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, all for free, everything that we do on this channel is for free. There are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Otherwise, if you're wondering about the broker that I use, their link is also in the link down below. So go into the description and see what you can find. Okay, so getting back to the video. For how long does a person need to actually stay in demo trading as a demo trader? I would like to hear your opinion, so don't be afraid, don't be shy. Leave your comments in the comment section below. I'd like to hear what you think. For how long do you think a person should demo trade? Okay, so when I started, I also started on demo, like what many people do. Obviously, we go to demo and we try to test the strategies that we are seeing. We try to familiarize ourselves with what? With MetaTrader, with whatever platform that we are trading with, obviously with also the broker that we are using and stuff like that. All good and fine. Now, the problem that I encountered and that I also see many traders doing is also that they never actually grow out of the demo cycle. They don't actually grow out of the demo phase, which brings the question that was rightly asked. For how long do I think a person must remain in demo before opening a real account? Personally, I think you should not go beyond 2 months. You should not go beyond 2 months. And 2 months is a very, very long time if you are dedicated to what you are doing, which is learning the markets, familiarizing yourself with the MetaTrader platform, with your broker, and learning to trade the markets. I think 2 months is a very, very long time to stay in demo. I'm not saying that you are going to learn everything that is there to learn in 2 months. No, don't get me wrong. The problem with demo is most people sometimes don't know when to get out, when to actually go and start doing what they've been learning and actually try and practice it with the real market. Why do I always emphasize on trying things out in the market? There is one element that demo trading does not teach you as a trader, which is a key component of trading. Forget about strategies, forget about brokers, forget about everything. The key component in trading is actually trading psychology. How you react when your money is on the line. That's the key to success. That's the key to failure in trading. That's why you find that we might be using the same strategy. We might be using the same system. We might have the same mentor, the same broker, trading the same session, trading the same pair, trading, everything will be equal. But I promise you, either you are going to make money and I'll be losing money, or I'll be making money and you'll be losing money. You find that people, 100 people go to the same mentor, they open same with same broker, with same everything. But out of that 100 people, probably only 10 people will actually be consistently successful traders. Why is that? Because it comes down to the trader. It comes down to the trader's psychology, to them as a person, how they actually react to when their money is on the line. That's why I say demo trading sometimes becomes a trap where for some people they never really actually are able to grow out of it, because the moment you blow a demo account, you can easily reboot it, easily go back to your platform and add in another $10,000, another 10,000 euro, of course, the fake money, and you blow it, and you add another one, you blow it, you add another one. You actually end up in a cycle where you are not learning anything, because you're just blowing things, and you can always add another account, another fake money, another 10,000 fake money, and you are really, really sometimes not really attached to it, because it's fake money. There's no pain. There's no pain in it. Now, for some people, after years in demo, not exactly years, but after several months in demo, they still go to the real markets, and it's a disaster because they never really learned the crucial lesson of trader psychology. Which is why I would say, of course, you are not going to learn everything that is needed in the markets in 2 months, but I would prefer you actually learn how it feels like when your your real money is actually on the line. It teaches you something. It teaches you something. That's where the real trader comes out. So my advice would be 2 months. 2 months, not more than 2 months in demo. 2 months to familiarize yourself with the system, with pairs, with the broker, with everything that you want to learn. But now for the real trader training, I advise a person to do how I did it. I found a broker. Their link is in the description box below. They have what are called micro accounts. They've got what's are called micro accounts. Um, Basically, you can deposit as low as $5, as low as $5, and then you can start trading the real markets, and you know that your $5 is on the line. Your $5 real money is on the line, and you can actually judge how you react when you see your $5 being taken by the market. Or you can actually also see how you react when you turn that $5 or $10 or $20, whatever you want to start testing with. If you turn that into $50, because success also determines the trader. You find that some people are not able to handle success. The moment they flip an account, they think they are it. They think they own the market, and you find that that's how you find a person, they can win 10 trades in a row, but the 11th one, it destroys them, because they are not able to handle that success. They're not able to handle that victory. So my advice is, don't dwell too much on demo. I don't know what you think. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Don't dwell too much on demo. Uh, yeah, either with my broker or another broker, go ahead and open a micro account. There you can actually start teaching yourself the most crucial element for trading, in my opinion. trader psychology. Trader psychology, I promise you, it's what's going to make you or what's going to break you. We might be using same system, same strategy, same broker, same everything, but it's going to come to how do you react in the market? How do you react when you are losing? How do you react when you are winning? That's what determines why some traders win, why some traders lose, and yet everything is equal. Same mentor, same everything. You are not going to be able to learn that when you are stuck in demo for 6 months, for a whole year, just trading demo. Of course, you are going to spend that 2 months or so gathering up $10 or $20. I know people will come and say, what happens if you don't have $10 or $5 or $20 to deposit? I think that's where I always tell people to always think outside of the box. Take that 2 months to actually find the $5 or the $10 that you are going to actually use to test whatever you have learned on demo for the past 2 months. And you'll find that you'll be treating that $10 or $5 like gold. Like gold. That's where I think you need to learn real trading. Of course, people have got different opinions on things. So if you think I've got it wrong, I'd like to hear your thoughts in the comment sections below. So please go ahead and tell me for how long you think a person must demo trade. Subscribe if you are new to the channel. Like the video. Until next time, bye.